Hi guys, welcome back. So we started our day here kanina 5 a.m. Nagpagas ako before we went to Clark. So nagpa-full tank tayo. So now we're back here in San Juan again. At nagpagas tayo kasi umilaw na. So we consumed 11.243 liters. That's 805. So okay. So we went to Clark. So 805. Let's input that to our fuel app para makita natin ano ba consumption natin. Ducati refill odometer 11,511. Okay na. How many liters? 11.243. Price is 71.67. 18.6 kilometers to a liter. Not bad. Could have been better. Usually pag long ride dapat naka 20 plus. Gulat naman ako. Bakit yun lang? Okay, so we're on our way home. We went to Clark with our good friend Motoman. So ito nga yung actual friendship ride ng BMW and Ducati, because there's more friendship than the brand itself. Let's reset lang my odometer. 109 kilometers tayo today. Reset. Okay, let's go home. So we went to Clark for a quick ride. Ngayon lang kami umalis ng ganito kaaga eh. So we started our ride at 5:30 a.m. takeoff time, and then 1 hour 15 minutes nandun na kami sa Clark. So I guess that's a little bit over 100 kilometers from San Juan to Clark. We went via Araneta, Skyway, then to NLEX, tapos to SCTEX, Clark North Exit. Tapos we went to Porch Coffee. Ang sarap ha. I really need to go back. That was It's been a while I haven't had that really good breakfast. I had the Loco Moco. Loco Moco is basically hamburger with eggs with gravy on top of rice. Pero ang Loco Moco nila, grabe, it was a smash burger. So yung alam mo yung pinisa talaga sa grill top na crunchy yung edges. Ang sarap. Sabi ko, shit. This is really one good burger. I can't imagine baka yung patty melts nila masarap din, kasi if that's my basis of their good burger, ang sarap. Tapos I had their hash brown, tapos I had latte. As usual, di ba, maarte ako sa coffee ko. Ayoko na sobrang init. This was perfectly made, perfect temperature. Maganda yung pagkainit ng milk that I didn't have to put any sugar kasi matamis na yung gatas. Tapos my friend si Edwin of Motoman had the spam and egg and hash browns. I didn't get to try pero mukhang masarap eh. Sabi niya masarap eh. Tapos for dessert, we had blueberry cheesecake and the moistest, chocolatiest chocolate chip cookie. Ang sarap, grabe. I really enjoyed that. Yung blueberry cheesecake nga medyo it wasn't bad, but it wasn't yung gusto kong cheesecake. Medyo parang kulang sa pagka-cheesy niya eh. It wasn't dense. I like my cheesecake to be really, really dense. I forgot how much yung price point eh, but for one coffee, one cheesecake, and one tea, I think I paid 400 something, almost 500 yata. Tama ba? Oh, mga ganon. 595 yata yan for the 3. Tapos yung breakfast ko, the Loco Moco, 1 hash brown and 1 coffee was 600, mga 650. I wouldn't call it cheap, but the food was really good. I really enjoyed that, and the ride was okay pala mag-ride ng ganong kaaga, kasi usually pag nagra-ride out kami, di ba, mga 7 a.m. I don't remember riding out this early na 5:30. Okay pala, walang traffic. medyo may kotse, which is surprising for a Sunday na ganun kaaga. I'm quite surprised na marami-rami yung kotse, pero it wasn't traffic. So ang ganda nung pauwi kami, we left Clark around 8:30. The weather is not hot pauwi. Hindi tulad pag late ka na mag-start. Kunyari 7 kami umalis ng Manila for breakfast. By the time pauwi ka, tanghali na, ang init na ng araw. Ngayon tama lang eh. So now, what time is it? It's magte 10 o'clock pa lang, nakapagpagas na ako. I'm few minutes away from the house already. So that was really a nice ride. Cool. Got to take the bike out for a 200-kilometer ride. So happy naman. And the restaurant will definitely be back because I really want to try the other food. Kung ganun yung burger nila, I think I want to try their patty melts and their other burgers. I didn't get to try the other breakfast na parang tocino kasi medyo minsan nagte-crave kang tocino, okay, kasi yun yung typical na breakfast na you want, but I wanted to try something I don't usually get, and that's why I got really curious with the Loco Moco kasi mahilig ako sa burger, mahilig ako sa egg. That's yun, perfect. But I got really surprised that the burger they had was a smash burger. Yung talagang ang nipis na nani-flatten sa grill, kaya yung burnt, yun hindi naman burnt, but yung crunchy edge ng isang smashed burger, ang sarap. The gravy was also really nice, not too salty but flavorful, and of course too sunny side up. But how I wish the sunny side up would be not more but less cooked. Ayoko na overcook na itlog yun. Medyo I want my yolks more runny Ito medyo konti pa pero sobrang, I'm just nitpicking. But that was definitely a restaurant I wanna come back again. Ito yung on our way kasi yun ang pinag-uusapan namin yung mga, because of the, di ba, the real friendship ride, kasi palagi may issue yung BMW versus Ducati. Ewan ko ba, why can't we just all get together? Di ba? Like we ride not because of the type of bike we use, not because of the brand of bicycle we use. It's all about the actual friendship of the riders. Si Edwin, Motoman, we've been friends since what, 6-7 years old. Magkakilala na kami sa school, and then we grew up together. So ito yung mga friendships that no matter what brand we decide we choose, it's one of those things that hindi magkakaroon ng rift because of brand lang. These are friends we've made growing up. These are what I would consider our friends for life. Ganun talaga mga friends mo from high school are those people who you didn't, wala ka kasing pretensions when you were growing up Hindi tulad ng college, medyo mga ibang tao nagpapanggap na, diba? Pero nung high school, walang nagpapanggap. Everybody was as natural. Wala kaming tinatago against isa-isa. Remember, we grew up, wala pa kaming alam sa mundo. So ano yung tatago namin? So these are really the friends that you have for life, because they were with you when, kumbaga, ano pa pagyayabang mo sa kanila? Wala kang kailangang ipagyabang sa kanila because they knew who you were from the start. Diba? Kaya ito yung mga talaga, to all my friends, my high school friends are the closest until now. We're still getting together as often as once a week when we play basketball. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video of our little ride to Clark, and hope to see you again on my next vlog. Okay, bye. Thanks guys. I hope you don't forget to like and subscribe.